Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. I am Victor Digomo here, and once again in this class we are looking at coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. I did an introduction to coordinate geometry in the last class, and it is of great importance if you look at that class because it's going to help you to understand what we are going to be doing in this example. This is a VIC examinable question. All right, the question says find the equation of a line passing through the point. So you look at what we were discussing in the last class. You realize that from the last discussion we had, this is a point. Only one point is given, and the gradient is given. How are we going to handle this question? You realize from the expression I gave that gradient G is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you realize that this is the gradient and this is the increment, and this is the increment. This is for y-axis and this is for x-axis. So if we establish this, we are going to have 3 over 4 equals to the expression we are going to have here is now going to be y minus y1 because 1 point is given to us all over x minus x1. So if I make that substitution as I have in that point given, we are going to have y minus y1 over x minus, sorry, the y1 there now is going to be minus 5. You see how I placed this minus because this is the minus that is in the expression. Please take note of that. And this is now minus 1, okay, equals to the gradient, which is 3 over 4. So what do we have? We now have y plus 5 over x minus 1 equals to 3 over 4. We can cross multiply and have 4 bracket y plus 5 equals to 3 bracket x minus 1. So we have 4y plus 20 equals to, this is 3x minus 3x minus 3. So I can rearrange them as 4y equals to 3x. This is minus 3 minus 20. Of course, it's going to give us 4y equals to 3x. Yes. If I feel like putting everything over here, I will have 0 here, and then shift the, write the positive value first, 3x minus 4y, then minus 23. Okay, you can see this in the options that are given, but please take note that it mustn't be compulsory that the arrangement must look like this. The arrangement can possibly be as the general formula for writing the equation of a straight line, that is y equals to mx plus c. That is to say, if I want to put it in that order, here now will be y equals to, this will become 3x over 4. This will become minus 23 also over 4. Where this is now the gradient, 3 over 4 is the gradient. Of course, look at it. And then this is the intercept. So please, anytime you are solving or you solve something like this, just check how their options were presented so that you can be able to do your own in corresponding to those options so that you can check the right one. Thank you so much for being there. Please like the video, share to your friends, click on the subscription button so that you can partner with us in what we are doing and then be of an encouragement. Thank you so much for being there.